Hello everybody, today's topic of discussion is ketone body. Acetone, acetoacetic acid and beta hydroxybutyric acid are called ketone bodies. Why they are called ketone bodies? Because acetone and acetoacetic acid contains ketone group. But as the beta hydroxybutyric acid does not contain keto group, so it not a true ketone body, but it easily converted to acetoacetate, so it is included in the ketone body group. Then where the ketone body are synthesized in the mitochondria of liver, then how they are formed, ketone bodies are formed. The precursor molecule of ketone body synthesis is acetyl-CoA. Two molecules of acetyl-CoA join each other by the thiolase enzyme to form acetoacetyl-CoA. Then by the enzyme HNG-CoA synthase, another molecule of acetyl-CoA joined with the acetoacetyl-CoA to form 3-methyl-3-hydroxybutyryl-CoA, that means HNG-CoA. Then the HNG-CoA cleaved to release the acetyl-CoA by the HNG-CoA lyase to form acetoacetate. Then the 2-fate of acetoacetate either is reduced to form beta hydroxybutyrate or spontaneously decarboxylated to form acetone. So in this way ketone bodies are formed in the liver, but ketone body is not utilized by the liver. How they are detected by the Rotheras test? Normal blood concentration of ketone body is less than 1 milligram per deciliter. In blood, there is equimolar concentration of acetoacetate and beta hydroxybutyric acid found. Normal daily excretion of ketone body through urine is less than 1 milligram per day. Where the ketone body is increased in through urine, one is in physiological condition, that is in prolonged starvation. Second is strenuous exercise for prolonged period. Third is person taking high fat and low carbohydrate diet. Then the pathological condition, one is uncontrolled diabetes mellitus, second is severe vomiting, third is hyperemesis gravidarum, fourth is von Guericke disease, and fifth is in alkalosis. Then how the ketone bodies are transported to the extrahepatic tissue, because the liver cannot utilize the ketone body. So acetoacetate and beta hydroxybutyrate are transported to the extrahepatic tissue through blood. Here the first beta hydroxybutyrate converted to acetoacetate. Then the acetoacetate is converted to acetoacetyl-CoA by the thiophorase enzyme. Another name of thiophorase enzyme is succinyl-CoA acetoacetate-CoA transferase. Here the succinyl-CoA is converted to succinate. This is absent in the liver, so liver cannot utilize the ketone body. Then acetoacetyl-CoA by the enzyme thiolase is converted to acetyl-CoA, and this acetyl-CoA is into the TCA cycle to give the energy. Then the regulation of ketone body synthesis. Ketone body synthesis, ketone body metabolism can be regulated in 3 steps. One is at the level of adipose tissue lipolysis. This is stimulated by growth hormone, ACTH, adrenaline, norepinephrine, TSH, glucagon, and inhibited by insulin. Then when the fatty acid enters into the liver through the blood and converted to acyl-CoA, it can be converted to acetyl-CoA by the beta oxidation or acidified to form acylglycerol. Here one gateway is present, that is CPT1 gateway. This CPT1 gate is controlled by the malonyl CoA. If there is a malonyl CoA synthesis increase, that is by the fatty acid biosynthesis, what happen? It inhibits the CPT1 gateway. So the acyl CoA cannot be beta oxidized to form acetyl CoA and enters into the esterification step to form acyl glycerol. That is esterification step. This is the second step of regulation of ketone body. Then acetyl CoA, fate of acetyl CoA is two. One is TCA cycle and second is ketone body synthesis. If TCA cycle is anyhow blocked, suppose in case of uncontrolled diabetes mellitus, in uncontrolled diabetes mellitus more NADH plus H plus is obtained, and this NADH plus H plus reduce the oxaloacetate to form malate. So the availability of oxaloacetate is less, so acetyl CoA cannot be joined with the oxaloacetate to form citrate, so the acetyl CoA cannot enter the TCA cycle. So in this situation, that is altered insulin glucagon ratio, where the insulin glucagon ratio decreased, in this situation the acetyl CoA enters into the ketogenesis pathway to form ketone body. That's for today. Thank you.